Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.3858 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 3.96%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliott waves and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key patterns that we have information on this chart. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. So Fantom from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.19 mark, and having done so, I believe Fantom has done the minimum that we expected that ABC correction to do, and soon we might see a very nice pump to the upper side. Starting my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see that here on the daily chart we had been trading within this channel, which is right here. We managed to break out of this channel to the upper side. We also managed to break above a key area of resistance, and at the moment here on the daily chart we are trading at an area which is acting as an area of resistance at around the $0.3852 mark. So we need to break above that key area of resistance. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can see ahead this chart pattern, which is right here, which is a double top, which is a pattern that normally breaks to the lower side, having the target area of that breakout as the height between the tops and the neckline, and that breakout could take us to around the $0.023 mark, but this movement to the lower side didn't play out. Down here at around the $0.28 mark, that is an area of support which gave us support as we tried to break to the lower side, and we started seeing a very nice bounce to the upper side. And once we managed to break above this key area of resistance right here, you can see we even had a retest of this key area of resistance, and after the retest was a success, we continued unlocking even higher prices here on the V-chain chart. In that movement to the upper side, we have also been trading within this ascending channel, which Fantom has continued to respect as it has more than 3 touch points. And this brings me to the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart. It's possible that we might continue pushing the price of Fantom to the upper side and manage to break out of that channel to the upper side. And here on the 4-hour chart you can see we are trading above a key area of resistance, which is at around the $0.3842 mark, and having done so, it's possible that we might continue pushing higher since we have that area is now acting as support. We managed to break out of that channel to the upper side, even have a retest of the upper side of that channel, and if that plays out, then that breakout to the upper side could take us to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.42 mark. If we manage to break above it, have a retest, and even continue pushing higher, it's also possible that we might try and continue pushing to the upper side of the channel and get rejected at the upper side of the channel, then have a massive pullback to the lower side. And in that pullback, we might get to this key area of support. We either find support at that point, or we can lose it and continue unlocking even lower prices until we hit the bottom of that channel, and at that point we can either break to the lower side, and that movement would mean lower prices could be coming our way, because it could take us to around the $0.32 mark where we have our next key area of support, and from there we can then find a nice reversal to the upper side. And if I also take a look at the indicators to see whether those movements here on the indicators will be supported, on the RSI we are trading at around the 61 mark, and that would mean we have room for us to continue pushing higher. If we manage to break out of that channel to the upper side, that movement to the upper side will be supported here on the RSI. Also, in case we do not manage to break to the upper side and we continue trading within the channel to the lower side, that movement here on the RSI will still be supported. If we also take a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices could be coming our way. So it's possible that we might unlock even higher prices, manage to break out of this channel to the upper side, and continue pushing to the next key area of resistance up there. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.